What does resetting an air conditioning unit mean?
Hello there. Today we're going to demystify an important aspect of air conditioning maintenance, resetting your AC unit. This process is crucial to know, as it can often help resolve simple issues and restore optimal functionality to your air conditioning system.
What is resetting an AC unit?
Resetting an AC unit involves turning it off and then back on again. It is similar to rebooting your computer. The process can be beneficial for a variety of reasons, as it can clear out system glitches, reset error codes, and help your unit regain proper functioning if it has been performing poorly.
Why would you need to reset your AC unit?
In some cases, your air conditioning unit might start to malfunction due to an overload in the system, a brief power outage, or even a minor technical glitch. Often, these problems can be resolved by simply resetting your AC unit. While not every issue can be fixed this way, many minor issues can, so it's an important first step in troubleshooting your AC unit.
How to reset your AC unit?
Resetting an air conditioner is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Turn off your AC unit at the thermostat. You need to ensure that your thermostat is switched to off for both the heating and cooling functions. 2. Locate the reset button on your AC unit. This button is typically found on the outdoor compressor unit. 3. Press and hold the reset button. The duration may vary, but usually, you should hold it for about 3 seconds. 4. Let the AC unit rest. Allow it to remain off for a few moments. 5. Turn the AC unit back on at the thermostat. At this point, you should notice your AC unit starting up and beginning to cool your home again. Please note that not all AC units have a reset button, and for those, you will need to power it off and on at the breaker box to achieve the same effect. So there you have it. That's what resetting an AC unit means and how to do it. It's a relatively simple process that can help you resolve some minor issues and keep your air conditioning unit working efficiently. Remember, if your unit continues to malfunction after a reset, it's time to call a professional. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay cool.